युवाओं का कार्यक्रम युवा वाणी के अंतर्गत ही प्रस्तुत है मिस किसालो तायंग सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर आईजीजी कॉलेज तेजू के द्वारा अंग्रेजी में वार्ता कार्यक्रम एवं श्रोताओं इस कार्यक्रम के निर्माता हैं श्री आनंद में। आइए श्रोताओं सुनते हैं हमारा ये अगला कार्यक्रम।
Radio, the heartbeat of local communities, has been our companion, our storyteller, our connection to the world. Most of our generation, those born in the 21st century, may not say we are avid radio listeners, but that is not the case with our parents and grandparents. From early dawn till they fall asleep, the transistor radio would be on. Those who did not own a radio would visit a neighbor in the evenings and they all would listen together music and other programs. They will be listening to the various programs even when they did their numerous chores. I remember now my maternal grandfather, Angung, in Mawai village near Wakro. Even though nearly 90, he is still an avid radio listener of Mawai village. A state like Arunachal, where power supply is irregular and internet services not reliable, a simple transistor radio can connect us to what happens across the world. Hence, it is quite nice that we are today celebrating the World Radio Day. The World Radio Day was first declared by UNESCO in 2011. So why do we celebrate World Radio Day? Well, let me tell you, it's all about recognizing the amazing power of radio, a medium that has connected people across the globe for over a century. Radio is the heart of communication, and it's still going strong today, bringing us news, music, stories, and even laughter, no matter where we are. And here in Arunachal Pradesh, radio has a special place in our hearts. In a state with diverse languages, cultures, and communities, radio serves as a bridge connecting people in remote areas to the outside world. All India Radio, or Akashvani, has been broadcasting from Arunachal Pradesh for decades, bringing the voices of the people, news, and local stories to the entire region. Thanks to Akashvani, our mother languages have grown a lot. Since the 60s, when All India Radio started broadcasting in our languages, it has helped local musicians and writers get a platform to use and promote our language. Perhaps some of your own elders would have worked for Akashvani in Dibrugarh. It's amazing how radio continues to be a lifeline for so many of us here. Radio is unique because it can reach everyone from the busiest cities to the most remote villages. It doesn't matter what language you speak or where you live, radio has the ability to bring people together, to share important information, and to keep us connected. Radio helps spread important information about health, education, and government programs, especially in rural areas where internet access may be limited. And in today's world, with all the new technology, radio still has a special place in our hearts. Think about it. Whether it's listening to your favorite song, hearing breaking news, or tuning into a local show that feels like home, radio is always there. It has the power to inform, entertain, and even inspire. In places where internet might be hard to reach, radio is a lifeline, making sure no one is left out of the conversation. World Radio Day is all about celebrating the voices we hear through the airwaves and how they shape our communities, our cultures, and even our world. From small local stations to global broadcast, radio plays a huge role in how we connect, share stories, and learn from one another. It's a celebration of diversity, creativity, and the incredible impact of this timeless medium. Radio and the people of India have grown together. During the freedom movement, during Quit India movement and Netaji's courageous efforts to liberate India through INA, radio programs have inspired our people to boldly struggle for freedom. Even after independence, during the 1962 China War and the 1965 Pakistan War, our national leaders could connect so well with the people even in remote corners of India. Even now, Akashvani broadcasts programs to help our defense forces to relax and feel energized to face their tough routines. Today, with the blessings of our satellites, radio services have covered 90% of India and 98% of our people. Now, the radio can be listened even in a small mobile. So let's remember, cheer and salute the scientists, engineers, radio broadcasters of All India Radio and Akashvani who made our life very lively and joyful. Let's raise our voices and our radios today and appreciate how this simple tool continues to unite us across cultures, across borders, and across time. Because, after all, radio is not just a medium, it's a connection. And on this World Radio Day, we are reminded of how powerful that connection truly is. So today, let's tune in, turn up the volume, and celebrate the voice that never fades. Happy World Radio Day.
श्रोताओं, अभी आप सुन रहे थे ये विशेष कार्यक्रम हमारे युवावाणी कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत मिस कसेलू तायंग सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर आईजीजी कॉलेज तेजू द्वारा अंग्रेजी में वार्ता कार्यक्रम को। और श्रोताओं, इस कार्यक्रम के निर्माता थे श्री आनंद में। ये दोनों कार्यक्रम श्रोताओं आयोजित किए गए थे वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे के खास अवसर पर। इसी के साथ कार्यक्रम में आगे बढ़ते हैं और